My name is Julio Guerra. I am the art instructor here at the Hammond Boys and Girls Club. Today we celebrated our Hammond Youth Day end of the summer event for the end of our summer programming. Usually a 10-week program that we do, and at the end of the summer we do performances. We did this program to show that the kids have talent. A lot of them don't really have outlets like this in school and whatnot, so during the summer I usually hold a music production and dance production class where the kids learn different dance moves or write a song, learn how to record a song. We did it to show that you don't have to follow what the media says, just be yourself, have fun, so we do it for them. We currently are working with Mrs. Roper and her crew to give a backpack giveaway for back to school, so back to school supplies, along with the Backpack Foundation, Unilever, and JCPenney. We're also doing a raffle for about 6 bikes, 3 boys, 3 girls. That way they can have something to look forward to.
My name is Morel Roper, and I am a former club member, club staff member, and now I've committed to doing volunteer work for the club. I think it was a great day today because we had a number of parents that you don't often see, and from some of the comments that I heard today from some of the parents said they thought it was great, and some of them actually wanted to become involved in a parents group. I think it's important for the Boys and Girls Club to continue to have events like these because a lot of people in the Hammond community don't understand the value of the program or the value of the club in the community. One of the purposes of this event is to get more members from the Hammond community to attend. The events like this make the kids feel very important to show that as a community of people that we really care about them. And I think it's very important to continue these events to send out that message.